Hello and welcome to Aftermarket and Service YouTube channel. This is part of Motor India. Ishank, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Murli.
Thank you for your time. So I just wanted to understand how the HCL software, especially on this for the dealer management system, helping the dealers to optimize their productivity in terms of reducing the SKUs, reducing the mean time between the call and the repair, and also optimize the efficiency.
Definitely. Thank you so much for having me. Just before starting, I would like to say aftermarket is a huge opportunity of 1 trillion, which people generally ignore because it's after sales.
Only automotive?
Yes, okay. Automotive, including commercial and passengers vehicle both. Now talking about specifically how automotive we help using dealer management system. What happens is any manufacturing or OEMs has a huge set of dealers which they are not able to handle in terms of spare parts, warranty, decommissioning, commissioning, and most of the things happen on call or emails, or it takes the meantime to complete any work takes a lot of time than expected. Now our software solution, which is of HCL Aftermarket Cloud, helps to save them all the time and improve the productivity of agents both. How is this possible is we take all the logics of the company which they have, what is their services about, where do they need spare parts with the warranty, with each spare part included with their own warranty and commissioning, and we help them get the predictive maintenance much before they should be known.
Okay.
So that's why if you can see that showed 66% faster implementation than other competitors, 98% customer satisfaction increased year on year because the repairing and the field services was on time. Other than that, parts which were getting lost in the circle was coming on time, and it was not only helpful for manufacturing, it was helpful for dealers also to get more margins. Okay. That is where dealer management came in. It's a circle, it's a whole parts, service and maintenance system which we combine it and we complement to other systems for any company. We complement rather than rip and replace. Okay. That is where dealer management plays a key role, and we have our key clients across the globe, majorly from North Americas, Australia and India.
How about India also? Right?
India also, we do have it.
Okay. No, one of the complaints that the end customer, the car user or the truck or fleet operators have is, they talk about lack of transparency at the dealership. How does your software support improve this element of
Sure. So, like you must have seen on Flipkart, where your delivery is coming like this. You get the all the notification, get it has reached Bhiwandi manufacturing and all. That is what something we are bringing in actually. So, dealer has the transparency on dealer app, and there is a customer app. How and when things are happening. So, we'll have a real-time view when a job card is placed for a dealer, and service guy would be arranged with the capability is and the nearest by. The time and the capability is important, and this is visible to both dealer and the service guy. And if it's from the customer side, he will be knowing all the real-time updates. That is the spare part available, what time will it will be done, and we record it everything also to get the solution for it. So this is one of the way we are tackling this. And coming with AI solutions, we are actually also integrating all the data. We are trying to give the insight reports which can help dealer gain more traction in helping their predictive maintenance. Rather than reactive, we want to be proactive.
Okay, I understand. The vehicle manufacturers have their own DMS. No, some of them, or majority of them have their own DMS. So, what is the compelling reason for the dealers or the OEMs to look at HCL and then get it.
For sure. One of the, I think some of the USPs I would like to mention is, uh, we do not, again, as I had mentioned, if most of them has a dealer management system, we don't want to rip or replace their existing system. There must be some pain points or intricacies which we want to help, because we have got 70 modules, which is a PVC system, and you can see that we can, whatever they are missing, we can help them complement that. That is where we are. That not only reduces the job card, number of job cards, fewer callers or customer data. We also have 32 years of domain experience in this. From 1991, we are part of this industry in India. So we are one of the first pioneers. So we understand the SME domain knowledge, and we solve it. So that's something which they should help us.
See, aftermarket service or after sale service is a thankless job. It's very highly subjective. And then dealer satisfaction, I mean, this customer satisfaction index never goes beyond a certain point. And today's social media world, the word spreads, the information spreads like it. So, is it possible for the dealers having HCL software to convert complaints into compliments?
Yeah, for sure. That's a very interesting thought. How to convert complaints into compliments is when you are actually understanding their problem. What majority we have seen is they just start blabbering out that we know everything and dealer doesn't know. Rather, because we have been in this industry, worked with field service managers and people, we understand what the problem is, and we rather make them understand, first understand with them what it is. We go at the field, we solve it, and they actually compliments us.
Okay.
That's how we first understand the core problem. We want to put ourselves in their shoes and get the solution right. If you'll be able to see this also, you'll see 70% fewer direct calls.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the our key.
Okay, that's interesting.
Work at ground.
Yeah. You also look at the remanufacturing.
Yes.
So how actually that particular segment is not matured enough in India, as far as I know.
Indeed.
So what are the pioneering service that HCL software has to increase interest in reman?
Sure. I think remanufacturing is something which should be very core to any industry, be it manufacturing, be it mining. What's our tagline is sustainability with reliability. That where HCL Aftermarket comes in. For an example, if your engine of a car or any automobile is not working, what we take that engine, we open it up and we understand what is the problem. 70% of the engine is most of the time all right. That 30% spare parts needs to be changed, and it has shown, data has shown that it works much well with the same the whole chassis and the automobile, because it's the original part and we just change some of the spare parts. It helps us increase the sustainability, circular economy. Not only that, the increase in output for that machine, which was 5 years, it goes to 10 years up to that. So because of that circular economy, we are increasing 80% parts availability, and the existing machines lifetime increases twice. That is why we want to help every automobile manufacturing utilize remanufacturing. Okay. That not only saves cost, it also helps them get the credits from government, which reduces the CO2 emissions, which we have been focusing upon.
Yeah, that's the key. Yeah.
That's really important, and governance and work at workplace also comes into the play, because remanufacturing takes less effort than making the whole engine from the scratch.
Correct.
So this is where I think remanufacturing is key to every organization who is involved in creation of spare parts or having the whole machine as whole.
Great. Ishank, I would like to know the digital catalog.
Yes.
How is it helping the dealers and also the parts supplier to optimize their productivity?
For sure. So our digital catalog is as good as Amazon e-commerce for dealers. Simply, whatever we take the machine, we make our vector diagrams, we digitize every spare parts and the whole machine, and as you can see there,
Yeah.
each part has its own warranty and serial number, which is now noted down in our system like Amazon. It's a commerce system now. Now any dealer can simply go to that platform, can check this spare part has a lifetime of 20 days left, and if it's already spoiled, he can just click on that, put it in the cart and get the order from the manufacturers. The whole system reduces all the calls, all the inefficiencies. That's why we were able to get faster order revision time, and it increased 4 times the correct number of ordering. The correct ordering is the key, because spare part of the same machine, probably Splendor, would differ from machine to machine. That is where we were able to do it, and we have done it more than 4 million parts. Hence, digital catalog is a very simple thing like Amazon e-commerce, but for the spare parts. And this is helping both manufacturers and dealers, because they are getting the right part and they are supplying the right part. And this helps in the right order with lesser time, lesser help desk utilization, because it is coming out to be right and more efficiency.
So the DMS is only for the authorized sales and service center, or even for the multi-brand third-party service?
So, how we generally have dealt is directly talk to the OEMs and the manufacturers, like for example Volvo, and then they give it to their dealers. We give them the admin right, and they give us the view rights. So, if dealers requires only in North America, we can give it to them, but we are happy to give it to third authorized. Yeah.
Right. Interesting. Is there a way that your software connects the dark stores that are emerging now in the aftermarket products?
It's a very interesting thing which we are looking into it, because we work at a scale at the whole warehouse system of hundreds of warehouses at the Caterpillar and Komatsu level. Something like quick commerce is an interesting topic where we need to check, but I think we are one layer above them.
Okay.
Because the implementers are whom we are working directly with.
Okay.
So, yeah.